This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Christmas Animal in Animal Simulator. Open the game and immediately navigate to the event map to find festive spawns. Focus on collecting seasonal drops and checking spawn timers often. Use small boosts when spawns appear and rotate locations every hour. I'll explain how to track timers, prioritize rare drops, and use simple play patterns that improve your odds of finding the Christmas animal. Start by farming seasonal items across event zones, focusing on minibosses and chests that drop festive parts. Store duplicates and prioritize trades that fill gaps in your collection. Apply boosts only when you verify a spawn to stretch resources further. I'll guide you through prioritizing which items to keep, how to rotate farming spots, and when to cash in boosts for the best chance at the Christmas animal. Trading smartly can speed up your hunt more than solo farming sometimes, so set fair values and target players who collect seasonal parts. Use trade halls and community chats to spot quick deals and request specific Christmas pieces. Save boosts for verified spawn windows and coordinate with friends to cover more ground. I'll walk you through balancing trade value, boost timing, and cooperative searching to secure the Christmas animal fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.